Hello, folks. Wear different sweaters time. No more Fat Nancy's. I'm gonna do a quick weekly what's new and what's new. Well, if you've been watching the channel, I'll show you what's new. Give you a little visual what's new. I did a video, and I'm not done with the series. I took apart a differential, and believe it or not, I got that. I don't remember what it's called, but I got that bearing out in like no time flat. I'm gonna attempt to either clean this up with a sandblaster, or I'm gonna take a little bit of a brush and bring it to my house and see if aluminum brightener works. See how good it works on here. Apparently, I know it works pretty good, but I gotta buy a bag of rags because it seems like I lost a bag of rags and I might have used them all, or I brought them to my house. Also, in a video that hasn't been uploaded yet, I've straightened out a rim. It's not perfect, but see these are 86 rims. I'll get this. This is cool. I'll make another video. I have another one here. It's a little crusty. It's surface rust. It's not too crusty, but it's usable. I have this one. This one is actually in decent shape. The top has got a bit of a dent issue here. I'm going to take out. I did it in the last video. And I also got this one's not too bad. It's got a little bit of black rubberizer, and this is an 85 rim. So I'm going to bend all this out and fix it, and they're all getting powder coated. I'm sending them all to be powder coated. So in the meantime, when I send those to get powder coated, I'm gonna bend all the lips. I made a video of bending all the lips on. I'm not gonna do another video, or I just might anyway, because why not? Yeah, I'm gonna fix all the edges as best as I can. I got an itchy. If I get an itch somewhere, it's right in my lower back, not my ass, my lower back. But yeah, I'm gonna take the dents out of them as best I can, get them powder coated so they look at least decent. And then I'm gonna put the rear swing arm together. In the meantime, I'm waiting for there's like 1, 2, 3, 4 bearings for the rear differential. I'm ordering a rear differential kit. It's like $60. I think I have all the seals. I will, after I get that and put it back together, if I can. And I still got to take this stupid thing apart. It's in great shape, not a problem with them. I'm going to take that apart, put the differential back together, because it looks like it's pretty easy, actually. It's not that tough. I'm going to clean it all up, and what was I going to say? Yeah, put that back on. I ordered new bolts for it. Next week I'm getting let's see if I can speed up delivery. I don't have any money right now, so I'm gonna wait till next. So in the end of February, which is next week, I will be getting some new bolts. They still sell all the bolts for differential. The cap, my all new cap and bolts. I'm buying the bolts to hold the drive shaft on, whatever else I can find. I'm gonna put the rear drive shaft on. I'll see if I can get them to speed up the rims. The rims I'm gonna bring back. When I get them back, I put the 3 tires in my garage, and I'm going to see if I can get a rolling, at least the rear end. The front end, I'm going to see if I can get them to do the triple tree over again, because I mauled it really bad. So that's pretty much what I'm doing. I'm also going to build a shelf for my kids. I don't know if you want to see it. You want to see me do carpentry? I'll do that too. It's not very fun. It's just a simple shelf. Drill some holes, put some things on it, put a backing on it. I can do some. I got better at building some shelves, but it's a shelf. I don't get too fancy. I'm not like carving it or anything. So with that said, I'm gonna take my nicest shock that I have, which is laying around here somewhere. Put that on it for now. I have new shock bolts and whatever else. I'm gonna put on the back. Get the back shocked and set in place. Put the whole rear differential on. Try to put the front end on. Oh, and I have to order. I either got to sort out the ball bearings or order a whole new set. I'm thinking I might just order at least one set. I have some extra ones. If those ones in that bike are still good, actually I'd order 2 sets, one for that one and that one. Once I figure this one out, I think I have the rear end for the other one. I'm gonna start get this bike out of here. Spring, I'm gonna pull this one out of here, or this one, start putting it, try to get it on the ground. I might have to get a sheet of plywood or some help with a friend, put it here. That's pretty much it. And I've still got a few other crazy projects. Oh, and also, Arco, if you're watching this, I'm not cleaning my bench. Clean bench is a sign of a sick mind. And thanks for watching. I don't get too many viewers, but I'm still playing with bikes. So thanks for watching, Toodles, and hopefully I'll get more subscribers, watch the whole video, yada yada, etc.